just a normal day here in Simi Valley, California, here in my kitchen. And in the 1960s, there was a chemical spill from Rocketdyne up in the mountains. Not too good. Water got contaminated. And 80s and 90s, I grew up in this town not knowing and drank nothing but tap water. As you know today, there's a lot of stuff that is in the water and it's not too good for you. So that brings me to my next product, because Friday needs to drink some clean, purified water. Ecoviva. That's exactly what it's gonna do. So we're gonna open this box, see what's inside it, and I'm gonna install it for you so you can see what it's all about. There's two different kinds of options to choose from. There's a countertop and there's one underneath your sink. Here we go. Yeah, you chilling? You're so cute. And you deserve to drink nothing but purified water. This. It's the big guy here. First things first, we should find the instructions, kind of browse through them to make sure we're doing this right and see how long it's going to take to do this. So it comes down to, it comes to time. How much time do I have to put this in? Do I have hours? Not today. As you can tell, I got a little minion running upstairs. Instructions. Warranty information. Okay, there's a lot of stuff in it. That's what it shows you. So here it is. Pretty good size. Friday's checking it out. Here's all the other stuff that come with it. So here's all the hoses are going to go into it. As you can see, the drain, your filters, input. So I take the input's going to come in. Input's going to come in from the outside water. It's going to come through the filters, and then we have two going out. And what's cool is they're all color coordinated. Power's right there. Here's the piece gonna plug into it. We have this. What you'll do is you'll take off of this when it comes down to changing your filter. Pop that off. Here's your little tool you'll use. Then as you can see, there's left is open, right is closed, locked in. Kind of put it like this. This fits on pretty easy. And then this is to open it, take it out. Yeah, there's it's a big old filter here. Huh. All right, so there's that. Easy to take out the filter. Put this in that. There you go. Back on. Here's all some more hardware. You got your tape here. So they pretty much give you everything you need to succeed at installing this thing. I'm going to go ahead and do a run through, set it all up, make sure it all runs properly. Let's taste this water, right? We want it to taste purified and delicious, and that's what I'm hoping to get out of it. Here we go. Plugged in for now. I'll run this, but I will not plug it. This is the other side. The one I use right here. Done. They really do make it simple. Even the hoses are all labeled with what you need to where they're going and what they're doing, and color coordination on top of that. It's like a double whammy. Your drainage, shove it in, and then it locks in place. See? So the whole pushing this down releases it, but we don't want to release it. So that's the drainage. Blue is one of the filters. Here's your input. Another filter. This is your water tubing filter. Sticking it like that. And then the bigger one is the input. More water is going to be flowing through it. So there's that. Okay. Very good. Your input right here. I'm going to go ahead and attach this down underneath, and then we're going to attach that to it. So basically, when I'm down there, it's basically adding a different outlet to come through this. So right now you have coming out of your cold water, you just have one hose going right into your sink. So now we're going to put this here where it's going to be coming out, and then you got your second coming into this thing, and the original one's going to continue going through the cold part of your faucet. So here we go, going down. So this is the piece which is going to go over that right there. Get a wrench on that and we are golden. Let's run it up here, the intake, all the way up. Our temporary mount before I'll eventually drill. This is the smart faucet. We're going to plug it in right there. This is the regular filter, and this is for the RO, blue. One's going to be, and then as you can see, I'm pulling on them pretty good. I don't want to pull on them too hard. All right, so underneath here, I'm going to put this, toggle this on. So we're down here, we're gonna switch the switch here. Now it's letting water right into the system, coming right out of our new faucet. A lot of pressure here, very nice. It appears that there is no leaks going on here. So I'm gonna shut it off for now. And then I'm gonna finish powering this bad boy up. Here we go. Plug this in right there. Okay. Something just happened here. Okay, it appears that it's on. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the RO filter and let it just run for a little bit. That was pretty scary. So let's just kind of run for a while, just to like clean out brand new product, filter, everything, just kind of running, cycling water through it, making sure it's nice and clean when we're gonna drink it. Heading to the hardware store. This is the only piece I have to drill into my porcelain sink, and you need a diamond tip, and this is not a diamond tip. I found it out the hard way, but I kind of figured I needed something stronger. So anyway, I'm going to Home Depot or Lowe's. I'm gonna get this piece, drill the hole, and finish this project. Okay, so I had to get diamond tipped. I see. Like no freaking way. I think you tape it. Put some tape down here just to help it where it doesn't slide everywhere. Then possibly move to something else to get through the steel. This drill is from Temu, and it just cut through this thing, not hard. The rubber seal right here. It's gonna go here, then it's gonna come through your porcelain sink or your sink. So then underneath this sink part, see this is your sink, you're gonna pass the rubber piece right here. Okay, so this is gonna be up here. This is your sink. I'm just doing this because it's too hard to get under there with it. And then you're gonna put your metal over like that. Then you're gonna take your screws, see that? And you're gonna tighten this up. And then when you're done, you're gonna put your quick release little suction thing like that. And then as you crank this up, it'll tighten your water spigot. That's what it's supposed to look like. See, you got your rubber, your metal, you got your screws holding it in place, and you're gonna put your tubes here for the water. So I put this little foam thing here, so I'm gonna drill right into it. Okay. So now, I'm going to take this, right there, and put this into this and push it in like, almost like a half inch maybe. Like that maybe. That's like an inch, like 6. Let me try this. What are you doing? Yeah, it goes right in. Beautiful. And then you're going to put this on this side. I'm gonna put this through here. This is gonna go on this side. Okay. Screws right here. Screws. Okay, so that's it. I will say the biggest obstacle I had was drilling through my sink. You should probably already have some holes in your sink. I do have 2 holes, but besides the point, the hardest part for me, because I had to drill through my sink, was that problem. I do like that, how it glows, lights it up. Here we go, the moment of truth. Pure joy. It's delicious, refreshing, cold. I like it, and you guys, I think, will like it too. See the link in the description, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.